is like really being in the Wild West. This is like Wyoming or something. Well, it's not, but I mean, for Korea, I'm quite surprised that it's such a real Western style farm. I don't want to say that all the good farms come from the West, but this is what it looks like back home in the farmland. I'm from the city. It's 4:15 on the 14th. I'm really hungry. We've been shooting all day. We're kind of wrapping up here at the farm on this Arirang show that I'm doing called On the Road. So we're just doing some Insta shots, and then we're going to go off to a restaurant, and we're going to go to a beach, and then we're going to watch a sunset, and then we'll come back to Seoul. So maybe I'll be there about midnight. So we're in Dangjin, so if you get a chance to come to Dangjin, do so. And this is the first episode of Arirang On the Road, where I'm the host, at least for 8 or 10 episodes at least. Have a good time. I'll keep you posted. Love, peace, happiness. Bye-bye. My staff, they're all too shy. Get away, get away.